The Montana Metallic Effect sprays offer several trend metallic colors that are fast-drying, weather and abrasion-proof once they're fully cured. The metallics are ideal for indoor or outdoor application, offering a clean and broad spray output for optimum surface coverage. For best results on pre-primed white or light color substrates, apply a minimum of 2 to 3 thin coats, allowing 10 minutes to dry between coats. Dark substrates may require more coats. Additional coats should not be applied while paint is still wet. Apply the effect spray at a distance of 15 to 20 centimeters. Surfaces should be clean and dry before application. The smoother the substrate, the more intense the color finish. Remove the safety ring by removing the nozzle and turning the can upside down. Shake can well for 3 minutes and reshake after every pause in application. During application, protect the surrounding area from spray mist. At 20 degrees Celsius, Montana Metallic Effect sprays are dust dry after approximately 10 minutes, touch dry after approximately 20 minutes, and fully cured after 24 hours. The lacquer is scratch and weatherproof when sealed with Montana varnish. The spray surface must be totally cured before sealing. Metallic Effect sprays can be combined with Montana Gold and Montana Black cans, as well as Montana acrylic markers. The Montana Metallic Effect sprays bring state-of-the-art paint technology to traditional metallic effect colors. They can add a metallic flair to any creative or artistic project on many substrates. The Montana Metallic Effect range, highest spray paint quality made in Germany.